Aspire Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? This card looks tempting because it promises fast approvals and rebuilding opportunities. But most people get this card wrong and underestimate its costs. Aspire targets people with bad credit and offers fast approvals, but it often comes with annual fees, monthly fees, and high interest rates. While it can help rebuild credit, the fees can quietly drain your finances if you are not careful. It can be useful for very limited situations, but many people are better off choosing no-fee secured cards instead. Verdict: leave it unless you have no other options.